I am Greg, Master Electrician with Blue Sky Plumbing, Heating, Electric. Let's talk about electrical for hot tubs today. A lot of people, when they're looking for a hot tub, tend to buy the hot tub first. It's never a bad idea to consult with an electrical contractor prior to make sure you have enough power available to power the hot tub. Hot tubs typically take about as much power as your electrical range, meaning most homes aren't engineered to have that in place. You can. It depends on how the house was designed. Never a bad idea to consult with an electrician, as I mentioned. So here's our typical breaker panel. This home is complete with a hot tub. It has the 50 amp 2-pole GFI breaker. GFI protection is very important with hot tubs. As I'm sure you've heard, water and electricity don't mix very well. This hot tub is quite close to the panel, so this is going to be on probably the more economical end of installs. The further you get away from your power source or your breaker panel here, the more expensive things can get. Again, I would consult with an electrical contractor. They might be able to help you work out a more economical idea on where to place the hot tub if you've got a few different options